The power is fantastic, but the battery life is a lie, the thermals are a headache, and the controls feel just off. You've been waiting for a true second-generation device, one that fixes every single one of those compromises. Well, stop waiting. Because the leaks surrounding the Asus ROG Ally 2 are not just rumors. They are the blueprints for the most powerful and, critically, the most playable handheld gaming experience ever conceived. This video is your exclusive look behind the firewall. We're cutting through the noise and examining the supply chain movements, the component patents, and the whispered internal roadmaps that confirm Asus is not just iterating. They are re-engineering the handheld space. Let's start with the central nervous system, the processor. The original Ally was bottlenecked by a previous-gen Ryzen Z1 Extreme. The Ally 2 is rumored to launch with an exclusive, custom-designed AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme. This chip is rumored to be built on a significantly advanced 4nm or even 3nm architecture, focusing specifically on performance per watt optimization. What does this mean in real terms? It means a 30% increase in integrated GPU performance at the same thermal design power, or TDP. You are looking at a guaranteed jump in frame rates across the board, pushing AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Elden Ring comfortably into the 60 frames per second sweet spot at high settings. This is the raw power everyone has been craving. But power without endurance is useless. The single biggest complaint about the first ROG Ally was the battery life. Asus knows this is the fight they must win. The leaks indicate a major move, upgrading the battery capacity from the standard 40 watt-hours to a rumored 65 watt-hour density pack. Combined with the power efficiency of the new Z2 Extreme chip, this translates to a potential doubling of high-performance gaming runtime. Imagine getting 2 full hours of Starfield at 1080p. This is the difference between a novelty device and a true, on-the-go console replacement. Now, let's talk about the user experience, starting with the display. The original screen was great, but the Ally 2 is rumored to take things to a new level. We are hearing whispers of a slightly larger 7.5-inch OLED panel, maintaining the 120Hz refresh rate, but delivering infinite contrast, true blacks, and faster response times. The visual difference will be staggering. Plus, a critical fix. The Ally 2 is reportedly addressing the joystick drift issue that plagues all handhelds by integrating Hall effect sensors into both analog sticks, a non-negotiable feature for serious gamers. The ergonomics are also getting a massive overhaul. The original Ally was sleek, but some found the grips too shallow. The Ally 2 is reportedly adopting a slightly deeper, asymmetrical grip design, modeled after premium console controllers, ensuring hours of comfortable play. The customizable macro paddles on the back are also rumored to be larger and more tactile, providing faster, more reliable input for complex PC games. And finally, the killer feature that positions the Ally 2 against the Steam Deck and other rivals, the cooling system. The leaks suggest a complete redesign of the zero-gravity thermal system. Instead of just one main fan exhaust, the Ally 2 is rumored to incorporate a dual-intake, tri-exhaust configuration, 2 vents on top, and a new discrete vent integrated into the lower back grip. This dramatic